Feeling stuck, not having a system that can allow you to generate leads and convert leads into sales? In this video, I would love to take you inside of my very own sales funnel. Do stay tuned. This over here, Joshua Daily Pay, is my website link. So let's click over there. This is my capture page, right? So this is where I take people from point A, me getting them inside of my system. So this is where your potential prospects will enter their email address. Just get my blueprint now. So this is a systematized, automated sales funnel that allows you to generate leads and convert leads into sales, right? So your potential prospect will read through the testimonials, the results. System actually, here's a thank you page or a introduction to what you can expect, right? So if you are ready to join, when your prospects are ready to join, they will click on yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. You can read through there as well. Yes, get ready for my launch pad. And this is a payment gateway, a capture page, right? So your potential prospect will enter their full name, email address, phone number, and the payment methods. Will it be PayPal or simply a debit or credit card using Molly? So there are multiple payment gateways we have that we actually offer for our market, right? So your potential prospect will now enter all these details, and you can read everything by purchasing. You agree that due to digital nature of these programs, there is no refund, no guarantee, and agree to the terms and conditions, right? So buy now. So when you purchase, you will have a fully automated sales funnel, and what we use Systems.io that allows us to generate leads and convert those leads into sales.